Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Character.ai not logging in. So the first thing what you can do here is to clear Character.ai web browse cache. And to do so, super easy, you just need to right click on when you are on the Character.ai, go to inspect, and then go to application here. If you don't see application buttons, expand this option here and then you will see it. And then you need to go to storage and then press clear site data. And after you do so, refresh the page and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to disable all add-ons and extensions. And sometimes extensions can cause this problem. And to do so, on the top right corner, you should see menu here. Then you need to go to more tools, extensions, and then disable all the extensions that you're running here. And then you need to refresh the page and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to log into Character.ai with a different browser. So for example, if you're using Chrome, try Brave, Mozilla Firefox or other, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if you try these methods and the problem persists, probably the server Character.ai server may be on the maintenance. So you just need to wait, or you can check on Character.ai official Twitter account if there is some maintenance going on the website, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.